Yo, Sakafet, welcome back to another video. Lately you have been asking a lot for a reggaeton tutorial, so let's create one. I set my tempo at 104 and I have contact open and the library is freak 2. I'm using the sign language key and I set my project on the key of I think I did A sharp minor. Let's start by creating the melody, and I'm gonna record the first part and then make sure that you understand it. So let's start. Okay, we have it like that. This is not on top. Okay, that's it. Let's use the first part right there and then we can duplicate it till we have 2 bars, and then we have it like that. And then we go to A sharp. Let's copy the same one and then we go to A sharp. And then we take this one down. And then we go down there to G sharp. Okay, we can add it to a mixer track and then we add some effect on it. The first thing is going to be the kickstart. This one right there. And we add an EQ so we can remove some of the low frequency. That sounds very nice. I love it. And let's clone it. We're going to use another preset. Let's find a lead. There is one. I think that sounds very good for reggaeton, which is this oil can lead. Okay, now we have this melody. We can finally create our corporation. I am going to use the sky key. I love this plugin a lot, guys, and I'm gonna use this preset called smooth key with a tail, which is the home style preset. I just renamed them because I wanna know what I'm going to deal with. Okay, that's the low note. Now we complete the note, the chord. Sorry, I have a major here, another minor here, and then this one is gonna be the same one as this, and we have it. Sorry, and we have it there. Nice. Okay, now we add a synth bass. I am going to Serum. This one is a free library. If you go to Echo Soundwork, you will find it. Let's use the Vega. I think let's add some sub in it. That sounds crazy. We can copy the low note. Command C, and then you go past it here. And we are going to take them back a little bit because I don't want them to slide. That sounds very nice. Now I think I wanna add another instrument. Let maybe go to Omnisphere. I wanna add something that's got a lot of atmospheric vibe to the instrumental. But the one way to do it is to create a simple melody and then we use portai to add some movement to it. I am gonna go to my wedding and then maybe let's use the Go Summer keyboard. Okay, maybe we create like something like that goes. Okay, now we can call this one key RTM atmospheric, and then we add it to 1 hour mixer track, add into this one, and then we add portai. And there is a preset that I save called Entong. Normally, it's the way that I formatted. I use it to create some EKZ, and I love this one. Okay, if we start right there. And then now we add some reverb in it. That's fire. That is a crazy melody that we have here. And now it's time to go to Splice, trying to find some vocals and maybe some effect and then bring to this instrumental. I think I have an idea which is trying to find a lead reggaeton vocal and then drop it underneath of this melody that we have here. So let me go off camera and get back to y'all. I find a bunch of crazy sample. I'm gonna try to combine them to find something very good. So first thing, let's deal with the first one. Let's select those. Okay, those are deactivate them. And one thing I'm gonna do is like just make sure that I turn them into 4 bars, and then I can easily drag them there, and also transpose them because we're on the key of A sharp. That mean 1 2. That mean minus 200. Let's see. Let's see how we are. On this one, when I was listening to it, I was only interested by this part right there. Let's do the same thing, 4 bars, and then we drag them here, and that is the same key with a minus 200, and then we can chop this part right there, and then we combine it with this one right here. That's it. I think that sounds nice now. Okay, that sounds good. Now let's see if we can, maybe let's make this like 8 bars, and then this one we can make it start just right there, and this is why. Let's play with this right there. Okay, that's good. And now I think we have this one right there. G minor, G sharp minor, that means +2. Let's see. Okay, let's take this one right there. So see. Okay, we take this as the transition. That's on B minor with 100. Okay, let's see which one is this. I don't think not this one. Okay, maybe we can take this one and put it right there. So we start the second 4 bar with it, and then we are on G minor. That means we're gonna go plus 3. Sorry, plus 300 G G G sharp. Okay, hey. Now let's see what we can do with those two. I think I wanna close the pattern with this one. G sharp, that means plus 200. That means 2 semitone, guys. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And this one we can just drag it here. And we're on F. I think that's gonna be 500. If I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that sounds good for now. And I think I'm trying to find something to do with this right there. Let's do the same thing. Let's go to resample. Let's go to stretch code. This is a vocal. I want to make sure that it's stay as one. And then, okay, we can chop this right there. Let's see. Okay, we're on the key of C. That means we're gonna go -2. Okay, maybe we add this just on it right there and we start. Okay. And then we cut it just on it, right? Sorry. And then we have it like that. Ooh, that's a vibe. Add a telephone effect on it. And then we add a crazy reverb. That sounds crazy, and I want the bass to be a little bit louder. And then let's say that after that we get directly to another pattern. We can make this one unique, make unique, and then we remove this serum X, and then we add omnisphere. And I just want to use the sub bass that we have in omnisphere, the sine bass. Let's work on this by itself. No, I wanna go to the sine bass. Yeah, I think we can definitely make this, take this a little bit shorter right there, and I think it's going to sound better. Comment L. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's go feel H faster. And then we do the same thing, we duplicate this, comment B. Okay, Okay. And this one we are going to add it right there, and then this one we're going to make it unique, not unique as simple, and then we we set those buttons. Sorry. Hmm. And if we would make this one unique by itself again. There are different methods you can use to create those modern reggaeton vibe. You can see how easy it is to come up with this vibe right there. The most important thing is to always find a nice melody. Once I find this, I know it's over. I know it's over. I can create something crazy. Cause this kind of melody sound reggaeton is reggae. It's a reggaeton vibe. You see what I mean? And when you combine it with all that we have here, give you this vibe. So let me know in the comment section if you love this reggaeton beat, and as always, I'm going to drop it on my instrumental channel and make sure to link it in the description box once I drop it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you love it, if it's a good vibe, and if you want more reggaeton beat on this channel. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy.